Hello and welcome to this chapter. In this chapter, we are going to talk about some key features of 6G. So, this is one of the mandatory picture for the 6G network where we have defined some usage scenarios for IMT 2030. IMT 2030 is one of the way of explaining 6G requirements, and in case of IMT 20, which was 5G, we have introduced three services: EMBB, URLLC, and MMTC. However, in 6G, we are talking about a hexagon, which is defining 6 different service areas. The first service area is immersive communication. The second one is integrated AI and communication. So where AI can be integrated in your communication scenarios. We are talking about hyper reliable and low latency communication. We are taking this URLC to the next level where we are talking about latencies lesser than 1 millisecond, or maybe in some scenario lesser than 0.1 millisecond. We are also talking about ubiquitous connectivity. We are talking about massive communication, which is nothing but the extension of MMTC, and we are also going to talk about lot of sensors by using a use case of integrated sensing and communication. So 6G is going to enable a lot of sensing technologies, and a lot of sensor will be integrated with the 6G network. Let us try to understand the KPI expectations of 6G. Now when I talk about the peak data rate, which were 20 Gbps in 5G, we are expecting data rates of 100 Gbps or maybe 1000 Gbps in the range of 1 Tbps kind of data rates by 6G. The latency, the user experience data rate, which were around 100 Mbps, we are expecting those data rates to reach to 1 Gbps. We are expecting almost 2 times energy efficiency from 5G, 2 times of spectral efficiency. The latencies, which were lesser than 1 millisecond in 5G, in 6G, the expectations are 0.1 millisecond. The connection density is going to further increase, and now we are talking about 10 million devices every square kilometer. The reliability requirement changing from 10 raised to the power minus 5 to 10 raised to the power minus 7. So 6G is having much stricter KPI expectations compared to 5G, and how do we achieve in the real network, that is yet to be seen. In the next chapter, we are going to talk about some of the expectations from 6G. Thank you very much and see you in the next chapter.